Take a close look at these images and videos. See the incredible quality. In my opinion, of all the AI tools released so far, none can match Midjourney for image generation. Hello, dear friends, and welcome to a special tutorial from the Desire channel. Today, I'm going to show you an AI tool that gives you access to the most famous AI models out there. The name of this tool is Kie AI. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. As always, we'll start by searching on Google. Type Kie AI and hit enter. The first website you see is the official Kie AI site. Let's go in. This is the homepage. It's a powerful tool that brings together the APIs of all the top image and video generation tools. In the top right corner, click the login button. You can sign in with a Gmail account or your personal email. I'll log in with my Gmail. This is the main dashboard. As you can see, we've been given 80 credits to start with. The most important feature here is the access to famous image and video generation tools, which are truly unique. We have VO3, Runway, Suno, 4o Image ChatGPT, Flux Context, Midjourney, and Runway Aleph, which is the newest tool from Runway. Today, I'm going to use Midjourney. As you know, Midjourney is usually only accessible through Discord, but this site allows us to use it, albeit with some limitations. After you click on Midjourney, you'll be taken to this page. Before we start, I'll go to ChatGPT. I'll search for ChatGPT on Google and enter the first site. In ChatGPT, I'll write the following: give me a prompt, portrait of a young Persian woman. I'll click Generate and wait for the prompt to be written. As you can see, ChatGPT 5 is much faster at writing prompts for us. I'll copy the prompt and go back to Kie AI. In the task type section, you can see options like text to image, image to image, and image to video. I'll use the text to image tool with Midjourney. For speed, if you select relaxed, it will use 3 credits. Fast uses 8 credits, and turbo uses 16 credits. Since I want to use only 3 credits, I'll choose relaxed. In this section, you can choose the image size. I'll select a 2:3 ratio, which is perfect for portraits. Here, you can select the version. I'll use the latest version, which is version 7. I'll leave the other settings as they are. In this final section, you can add your own watermark, but I'll leave it blank. Now I'll click Run. Since I chose Relaxed, it might take a little while for the image to be created. And my image is ready. Look at the incredible beauty and detail in these portraits. You can download them from here and save them to your computer. All of these images are truly ideal, so I'll download them all and save them. Let's open the images to see them up close. See the beauty and precision in every detail. Even the facial features and skin texture are incredibly clear. Let's open another image. Look at the strands of hair, you can almost count them one by one. The detail is stunning. Even the lighting and skin texture are beautifully rendered. An interesting point here, and I'm not sure if it's a system bug, is that none of my credits were used. I still have all 80 of them. Now I'll go back to ChatGPT. I'll ask it to write another prompt for me, and I'll write, give me a prompt, a black crow in 3D Pixar animation style reading a book. I'll click Generate, copy the prompt, and return to Kie AI. I'll paste the prompt in the prompt section. I won't change any other settings and will click Run to generate the image. The results are truly outstanding. The interesting thing is that I still have 80 credits, none were used again. I've downloaded the images, so let's take a closer look. Pay attention to how clear and detailed everything is, even the crow's feathers are beautiful and sharp. Now, let's move on to generating a video with another tool. I'll click on VO3. As you can see, generating a video requires 80 credits. For now, I don't want to use that many, so I'll use the Runway tool instead. I'll click on it. Once we're on this page, we have two options, image to video and text to video. I'll use image to video. I'll upload the image I just created, the crow reading a book. I'll adjust the size and in the prompt section, I'll write, crow reading a book. Here, you can choose the quality. I'll choose 720p instead of 1080p and keep the duration at 5 seconds. I'll click generate and wait for my video to be created. Our video is ready. Look how realistic it is and how much it looks like a Pixar animation. I'll make the video larger so we can see it up close. See the precision and lack of errors in this video? If you pay close attention, it only used 18 of my credits to create this video. I'll go back to Midjourney. I'll paste another prompt that I got from ChatGPT here and click Run to generate the image. I'll download them so we can see them up close. As you can see, the images are beautifully created. I wanted to see how it would handle posters and cinematic images. Although the text I requested wasn't perfect, the image quality is flawless. It created these images beautifully. I'll go to ChatGPT again and ask it to write another prompt. Give me a prompt, Tom and Jerry fighting in Pixar style. I'll click Generate, copy the prompt, and return to Kie AI. This time, I'll use the 4.0 image ChatGPT tool. I'll paste my prompt in the prompt section. I'll set the size to 3:2 and the number of images to 1. I'll click Generate and wait for the image to be created. Our image is ready. You can see that it created a beautiful image of Tom and Jerry in a Pixar style. We used the GPT 4.0 tool this time, and look at the high quality. Now I'll go to Runway again to turn this into a video. Just like before, I'll upload our image here. I'll adjust the size and write a short prompt, Tom and Jerry fighting. Now I'll set the duration to 8 seconds and click Generate to wait for our video to be made. Our video is ready. Look how cute and funny it is. If you buy a subscription or use multiple emails, you can even create your own animated stories like this. I'll go to ChatGPT one more time and write a new prompt. Give me a prompt, a young woman in a bikini dress in a studio. I'll click Generate and wait for the prompt to be created. After it's done, I'll copy it and go back to Kie AI. I'll use the Midjourney tool again. I'll paste my prompt here. I'll set the size to 16:9 and this time, I'll choose Turbo for the speed. Again, I'll click Run and wait for the images to be created. Look at these images. The facial features and skin texture are so clear. The colors and lighting are also beautifully rendered, and unlike some other tools, it hasn't blurred the hair. Now I want to turn one of these photos into a video. I'll log out of my current account to log in with a different email because I don't have enough credits to generate a video. I'll log in with another Gmail account. As you can see, I have 80 credits again. I'll go to Runway and upload our image here. I'll adjust the size again. In the prompt section, I'll write, "Girl smiling." I'll set the duration to 8 seconds and click Generate. We'll wait for the video to be created. Our video is ready. Look at the incredible detail. It created the video beautifully without any errors. It even captured her facial expressions and smile perfectly, without making any changes to the original image. It simply transformed it into a video. Well, my dear friends, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you liked it and it helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Take care of yourselves, and until the next video, goodbye everyone.